Hi. This is Frankie and I'm Mama. And today we are going to make rainbow slime. This was rainbow slime. Yup. This was $6.99 at Rite Aid. And this is what we're going to do today. We have our STEM science lab set up. And we're going to do it here. So we got our science station all set up. Let's check out the ingredients. All right, let's see what we got. This, instructions, a spoon, clear glue. Show the camera, honey, what we got.
I have tea.
Glue. What else do we got? Don't open it yet. Show the camera what we got. Show them everything. Glue. What's this? Measuring cup. And a little thing and some spoons. And what's this? Paint. And what's this? Sodium tetraborate.
It's rainbow.
We're gonna do rainbow slime. So let's see. Well, we got everything we need, I hope, because our last slime was a fail. All right, let's see. Fill 1 cup with 90 milliliters of warm water. We gotta go get the measuring cup.
Yeah.
Or is this the measuring cup?
What is this?
That's to mix, honey. We gotta get the plastic cups, okay? Mama's gonna go get the plastic cups, okay? You wanna hold up these directions to the camera?
Yeah.
Frankie's gonna hold these while I go get the cups.
I'm gonna hold it.
That's okay. So we need 8 cups, it says. And warm water not included. All right, so the first thing we gotta do is add 90 milliliters of warm water to this cup. So the measuring cup gives you 30. So we gotta fill it up 3 times with warm water. Squeeze it right in there. Oops. This one, after I empty all this glue in here, you gotta mix it. Almost in, almost all mixed. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Squeezing that glue, squeezing that glue. All right.
Now.
No, not now, not yet. No, don't put that one in. Not time for that yet. Yes, but hold on. Let mommy empty all the glue. All right, you gotta mix that one good with that stick, okay? So then Frankie's gonna mix it in. He's gonna mix that one up. Now the second cup, same thing. We need 90 milliliters of water. Mix that good, honey.
Mama boy. Oh.
You know, we can't mix them, honey. We gotta be very careful. We're gonna mess this up. So I'm gonna get 3 more cups to put in here. And then you're gonna do this part, okay? This is the sodium tetraborate.
I will boy this.
All right, well, this is a chemical, so we have to be safe.
Okay, wait. Rush!
Alright, let Mama open it. And this we gotta be really careful, okay? Look how cute you are.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Hold on. Mommy's gonna pour it on the spoon, okay? And then you're gonna put the spoon in. Can you hold the spoon just like that? Alright, hold it like that. And we need just 1 spoonful. Don't drop the spoon. Okay, pour it in. So we added 1 spoonful of this, and then we gotta mix this one too. You wanna mix it?
Yeah.
All right, don't spill it. Just mix. Nice. All right, so now we're gonna do the paint. Paint's next.
Yeah, me.
All right, so each cup gets their own color full of paint, okay?
Pink.
This one.
Purple.
Yeah, I think it's necessary.
All right, so that's got purple.
This. Or this.
Next, we're gonna do blue.
Oh,
We're
this
trying.
one.
Yeah, Mommy got paint on her hands. The next one's gonna be green. Let Mama do this, Frankie, because it's messy. One's what color? Tell them. Yellow,
Yeah.
and then orange and red. Whose favorite color is orange?
Me.
Frankie's favorite color is orange.
Where
Right,
always go?
orange is right here. It's going this one.
Eddie. Ogo.
All right, and the last one's what? What color is this?
Red.
Red. Orange. Back up, honey, back up. Red. Blue. Is it blue? Blue. What's this one?
Purple.
Purple. What's this one?
V.
Green. Mixture set aside from earlier. That's this one. Hold on. And pour equal amounts into each cup. So what we're gonna do is gonna do a little bit. Hold on. This is the glue, right? But they're not going to be because. So the next page is. We gotta use this until we get slimy, right? What's that, slime?
Yeah.
So we got some slime in here. Slime that works, honey. He's gonna save a lot for the one she put a lot of liquid in. Like purple, yellow, blue. Got a good slimy formation here. I'm gonna run out. Thank you, babe. You're the best. Look at my little helper. He's great. So this is what the I think you don't think the purple needs help. I think the purple needs a little bit of help. No, we got what we got. We got what we got. Some of it is slime, some of it is not. The purple needs a little bit of help, honey. Now how do we,
I need help.
you need help.
Maybe now this.
So then we can pull them all out and add them together. So let's try it. So let's pull out the yellow first. Yellow. Purple don't. Frankie doesn't think the purple needs help, but it's a little watery. So that's the yellow. Frankie doesn't think the purple needs help. So that's the red. This is what Mama came out with. Purple, yellow, a little bit of red. So what do you guys think? You think this is a fail? You think it's a fail? I just want to see you.
Bye.
Oh, and he's got a bit. It's only for naps. Oh. Cute. Bye, guys. It's the consistency, so I'd say it's a half of a fail. All right, came out the best, yellow. So, the one I added the most water to. All right, guys, we'll see you on our next fail video. Bye.